Welcome. Today we want to look at the topic bearings. Now, before we start, there are some concepts that we must understand, okay? These concepts will help us to find the topic bearings to be easy. So, what are these concepts? The first concept is that, one, okay? The angle found on a straight line, if I do this, okay? If this is an angle found on a straight line, this angle, the value is 180. So the value of this angle is 180, okay, degrees. This is very important. Then the second concept that we must understand is that when you make a full turn, okay, so this is the second concept. If you make a full turn, for example, if I measure the angle from here, I go again, I came back to the same point here. The angle will be 360 degrees, okay? This is very important, okay? Then from there, the third concept that we'll talk about is that, so this is the third one. The third one is where you have two parallel lines, okay? If I say the two lines are parallel, meaning they'll never meet, okay? Then these lines, they have a line that is passing, okay? Like this. There's a line that is passing on them. This line is known as the transversal. So this is what you call the transversal, okay? It's known as the transversal. Okay, now, when you have the transversal there, okay, these two lines, these are parallel lines, meaning they'll never meet, okay? Now, for such a situation where you have two lines and the transversal, okay, there are some the angles that we call alternate angles, okay? Alternate angles. These angles, you can know them by using the letter Z, okay? If I move like this, have you seen? That's Z. This angle and that angle are equal, okay? And they are known as what? They are known as alternate angles. So if this one is angle A, it means that even this one is A, okay? If this one is 30 degrees, even this one will be 30 degrees. They are equal. So you know them by the Z, okay? Very important. Or if I do this, so meaning this angle and that angle are equal, okay? Very important. That is a very important concept. Then from here, we can go to the fourth one. The fourth one again, number 4, okay? Again, if you have two parallel lines, this one and that one, okay? Two parallel lines, and again you have the transversal, okay? You have the transversal. Now, for this one again, there are type of angles known as allied angles, allied angles, okay? These angles, they are found between the two parallel lines, okay? Then they are found on the same side of the transversal. It can be either this side or this side of the transversal, but they are found between the two lines that are parallel and on the same side of the transversal. It can be either this side or that side. Now, for this example, if I say they are found on this side, okay, on this side of the transversal, it means it's this angle and that angle, okay? They are found between the two lines and on the same side of the transversal. So if I say this is angle A and this is angle B, okay? These angles are supplementary, meaning they add up to 180 degrees. So if I say A plus B, this will give us 180 degrees, okay? So they are known to be supplementary, okay? They are supplementary angles, meaning they add up to 180 degrees, okay? From here now, we can go to the fifth one, okay? The fifth one, we can talk of, if I say 5 here, okay? The fifth one, we can talk of for triangles. For any triangle, the summation of the angles found in that triangle, the total will give you 180 degrees. What do I mean? If you have a triangle, for example, like this triangle here, if we sum the three angles, this angle, that angle, and that angle, if this is A, this is B, this is C, okay? If we sum them, A plus B plus C, this will give us 180 degrees for any triangle that you can think of. All the triangles, the summation of the three will give us 180 degrees, okay? Then we go to the 60th one, okay? For the 60th one, what we just have to understand is that it's a type of a triangle, okay? This triangle is known as equilateral triangle, okay? Now, this name, if you check the name, this name is from the word equal, okay? For this triangle, you will discover that all the three sides, they are equal in length. For example, if I do this, the length of this side is equal to the length of that side is equal to the length of that side. So the three sides are equal in terms of length, okay? Now, from here, you discover that since the three sides are equal in terms of length, then these symbols, have you seen these symbols? They show that these sides are equal, okay? So, when the three sides are equal, it means that even the angles also, okay? They are also equal. The three are equal also. This angle, and that angle, they will also be the same. If this is A, even this one will be A, that one will be A, okay? So they will be the same. Why? Because the three sides are the same in terms of length, meaning the angles also will be the same. Okay, very important, very important. Then from here, now for this type of a triangle, before I go to the 7th one, what we have to understand is that since the three, okay, these angles are equal, that angle are equal, and we say that first, the summation of the angles of any triangle is equal to 180. Meaning that for this to be true, it means that these angles should be 60, 60, 60, okay? This will give us 180 degrees. Let us go to the 7th one, the last one, okay? This one is a type of triangle known as isosceles. Isosceles triangle, okay? Isosceles triangle. This triangle, for this one, you will discover that for this one, two sides are equal. Not the three sides, no, but for this one, it's just two sides. Two sides are equal in terms of length, okay? So if I say, for example, if I say it's this triangle, okay? If I do this, okay? These symbols, they show that these two sides are equal in length. Very important, okay? So, when these two sides are equal in terms of length, it will mean that even the base angles will be the same. So it means that this angle will be the same with this one. If this is A, this one will also be A, okay, and that one will be B. So these two will be the same. Even if I draw it like this, okay? If I draw it the other way, and I do this, this is showing us that these two sides are equal in terms of length, okay? Meaning these two angles also will be the same. Have you seen what is happening? If this is A, even this will be A, okay? And this will be B. This will be B, okay? So now, these are the concepts, okay? These are the concepts that you must know for you to find the topic bearings to be easy. Okay, very important. So we have to know these concepts, and you find that the topic bearing will be very easy for you. Okay, thank you very much. The next time we are going to do some examples from past papers and the like. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.